Oh my goodness.
Hello, ladies. Look at your man. Now back to me. Now back at your man. Now back to me. Sadly, I am your man and your man is me. And all the body wash in the world won't make me look like that guy on TV. Back to me. Where are you? You're in a laundry room, about to do his dirty socks and dirty underwear that he refuses to pick up off the floor. What's in your hand? Back to me. It's the garbage from last night's dinner that you slaved over and he forgot to take out. But you cooked it because you love him. Face facts, ladies. I'm every man and every man is me. I'm on a porch. Hello, Tyler Perry. My name is Riley Henry Daniels Jr. I'm 50 years old. I live on the west side of Chicago. I'm very excited to make this video because this is my request to you for an interview. Mr. Perry, you have been an inspiration through your plays and through your movies to millions of people. And I want to impact people's lives in the same way. So my prayer is this. This video goes viral, finds its way into your hands, and you grant me one interview. 15 minutes of your time. I bring a freshness and new innovations that are not biased by the movies or the plays or anything that I've seen on television. So, Mr. Perry, impact my life. Inspire me. Grant me one interview. I look forward in advance to meeting you and conversing with you very soon. And I thank you. And God bless you. And continued success to you, sir.